A list of the top 10 most popular French food. France is world-renowned for its delicious food. Here are the top 10 French dishes you must try before you die. Hi, we're going to look at some of the best foods that come out of France. I'll be listing my personal favorites from number 10 all the way up to number 1, which will be my favorite dish in the whole world. Here are the top 10 French dishes you must try before you die. They can be found in Paris, where all those little deli shops make them fresh every day and will slice and serve to your exact specifications. All these dishes can be found just about anywhere in France and they're all delicious. Number 10, tarte aux framboises et citron vert, raspberry and lime tart. This is a beautiful French pie that's filled with raspberry jam, thin slices of lime, lemon juice that makes it very tart at first, but after you've bitten off the top layer of pastry, it explodes with flavor. The last time I had this was almost 1 year ago when my best friend Gina, who was visiting France, shared a piece of hers with me at a little bakery near where her hotel was. Number 9, crevettes d'andouille sancho rouge, andouille sausage, red cabbage, and apple salad. This dish consists of thin slices of the French delicacy andouille sausage with sweet pieces of chou rouge, red cabbage, that tastes exactly like apples. The only problem is that if you don't like pickles or sauerkraut, then this will not be your favorite French dish to eat. Number 8, Crème Brûlée, caramelized cream. This is the French version of crème caramel, but instead of using milk, they use cream and it's delicious. It's one of the oldest dishes in France that dates to the medieval ages when knights would make this for their ladies. Number 7, Escargots, snails. This is the French version of Japanese sunemono, but it doesn't use seaweed, instead they use escargot, or snails, and serve with white wine vinegar to complement its strong flavor. It's excellent on a hot summer day. Number 6, mousse au chocolat, chocolate mousse. This is a French dessert that has dark chocolate on the outside, white chocolate in the middle, and cocoa powder on top. The middle layer of white chocolate is what makes this dish so special. There are also several variations of it, but for me, this one will always be the best. Number 5, steak tartare, raw steak. This is the French version of Japanese tekkadon, but instead of tuna, they use beef seasoned with onions and capers to give it a nice tangy taste. It's so good that you can't stop eating until your stomach hurts. Number 4, blanquette de veau, veal ragout. This is a French dish that consists of boiled veal meat served with a sauce made from the blanc, or white stock, and onions. It's very popular because it's so easy to make and cooks up perfectly every time. Number 3, Bouillabaisse. This is a French seafood stew that has scallops, clams, shrimp, and several types of fish served with white wine sauce. It's rare, but I could eat this dish 3 times a day if I had the money to spend. Number 2, Boeuf bourguignon, beef burgundy. This is another French stew, but it's also very different from the previous dish. It doesn't have seafood in it, just beef that's cooked for several hours with fresh mushrooms, carrots, and peas. There are several variations of this dish, but they're all equally delicious. Number 1, tartiflettes, potato gratin. I know this isn't a food dish, but it's worth making for one simple reason: these are the best French fries I've ever had in my entire life. They're very popular because they're so delicious and easy to make. This recipe can be found on YouTube, just search tartiflette. Well, that's the end of my list. I hope you enjoyed.